resistance!
I have nothing left to give!
Give me your time!
My fate awaits me!
You do not care for me. It's been years since I felt the touch of another hand.
Then take mine, and take my shawl, ragged as it is.
You have now completed your journey. My sword is yours. It will protect you against your enemies. You may now return to the moors. Your fate is in your hands.
And Clarissa raced from the forest, raced to the moors where she called, I have returned, Braxton. I will free the moors of your tyranny. Fight me!
I always knew you'd come back to me. They always do.
Oh! Clarissa thrusts, she parries, she backs up Braxton and pins him against a tree. She leaps up onto a craggy rock, her sword swishing and swooshing. Never has she been more determined. She is on fire! Pity she hadn't taken dueling lessons. Out of nowhere, who should appear but the long-forgotten Rodrigo?
This is your end, villain. I've waited a lifetime to destroy you.
Who are you?
I am your worst nightmare, Braxton!
I am her sister! And then Dashwood got on his knees